Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am saving in my holiday binder. I have $50 in prop money. So let's get to saving. Where did we stop? Item nouns. So let's just start at the beginning. And we are working on Thanksgiving. Okay, this is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says $45. So let's roll a die. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is a fabulous dollar there. So $1 is going in. And we have a goal of $250, and we already saved $205 for Thanksgiving. And Black Friday, whoa, new challenge here. So we was able to, our goal is 500 and we up to 220. So we are doing pretty good for Black Friday. So this is created by Budgeting by Dina US. And it's a two-sided, her challenges are two-sided. So let's start, come back here, trying to fly away. Let's start on the $45 challenge first. So 1, so let's start here. And this is a 5. Perfect. $5. I just love hummingbirds. So $5 for this challenge, starting off for Black Friday. Next we have is Christmas. And Christmas, I am using this fun scratch and save book created by Cajangirlcreates on Etsy. So we finished this page already. We finished this page already. And now we're working on this page. And my goal for Christmas is $8,000, $1,000. And I have saved $118 so far in this book. And my year of savings, I'm not sure where I'm at in there, but yes, between those two, I believe we should get up to 1,000. If we don't, that's okay. It's just a goal, not a must. So 4, let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we got another 5. We might have to come spin the block again. We keep getting numbers like this. Another 5. All right. Next we have New Year. So saving a little bit for the new year. And this is created by Snowgarner 307. And what is the gold? 120. So 1, let's go here. And that's a 7. Five, 6, and 7. And like I said, we might, when we come back around, we might finish that one. Valentine's Day and goal of 120. This is created by Stuff and Budget. 2, 1, 2. And that is a 7. Five, 6, and 7. Uh-oh. Might need some change here. What was I thinking bringing a 10 into this game? Easter is, let's see, goal is 200. This is this is created by Budget with Carly. Says $50. 2, 1, 2. And that's another 5. Okay, 5s. Do I got a 5 in here to put a 10? No, of course not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, birthday. This is created by Snowgarner 307. And the goal for birthday is 300. The next birthday I have coming up is in October. So 5. This size says 75. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is another 5. All right, do we have a 5 in here? Yes, we do. So we can put this 5 back and grab a 10. And I am doing, oh, well, dang, I need a 5 again. I'm doing 1 5 on this side. Let's do this 5. And this side says $80. So I guess that 5 went back in here. Do I have, well, I guess it don't matter. All right. So that's our buffer. We are not going to do the buffer. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Let's go and see if we can complete the, which one was it? It was Valentine's Day and New Year's. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this one for New Year's. That is a 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So we should have 50 in here. We have 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yes, we do $50. So that one is completed. So I will go ahead. Where's my pen? And I'm just going to put plus 50. And the balance is 50. See, that's how I'm doing that so I can stay on track. All right. And the next one we was going to do was Valentine's Day, right? Yes. Let's see. Ooh, this is a mystery save. And we got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. I'm kind of nervous. Should I try? You think it's going to be higher than 7? I'm scared. So let me see. Can we guess and see that? Because these are kind of big numbers, though. So it might be a small number. What y'all think? Hold on. 20, 30, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. You think it's a 4? Oh, dear. Okay, let's do it. Oh, shit. Oh, dear. That took your girl out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a $2 IOU. No. Oh, dear. IOU of, yeah, that's really a O for the flock's sake. $2. All right. Yeah. So this one, I got 20, 35, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So is this one 55? Oh, dear. That one got you, girl. It got you, girl. All right. So we're going to put that back in here and start with this challenge and pay that IOU next time. So I'm just going to put this bookmark. Oh, let's put this in here. And we just put that bookmark there. So we can pay that IOU of $2. Well, gems, you see what not to do. Oh, I cracked myself up. All right, Jills, thank you so much for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical and stay away from them IOUs. Bye, Jills.